if you're looking to start your own custom wig business, if you're looking to start your own very own hair business, then guess what? This is the channel. Hey guys, this is Yoli here. Welcome to my YouTube channel with everything that's beauty, wigs, of course, and business in this industry. So we're gonna be talking about it all. We're gonna be talking about the tea. We're gonna talk about the good, the bad, the indifferent, the stuff, the lies that everybody's telling. Cause girl, everybody ain't making 10K a month selling units. Dang. But that's all right, because you just might. You might. You just might. But stay tuned, because I'm going to show you how you can make them coins, how to price them units after you make them. Little tips and tricks that I've learned throughout my years of custom wig making. You want to be a ghost wig maker? What does that mean? I want to be a ghost. Yes, child, that is a service. So meaning that you just might. May have been happening to you. You purchased a unit from somebody and guess what? You thought they made it and it just so happened it was moi. That's a service. But anyway, if you're looking to start your own custom wig business, if you're looking to start your own very own hair business, then guess what? This is the channel. So stay tuned. We're going to talk about the scammers. We're going to talk about the customers that will drive you crazy. We're going to talk about the customers that give you love. We're going to talk about the clients that, just everything, girl. I mean, come on now. We got a lot to talk about. So I don't need to be talking about all that. So you just got to stay tuned for the next video. So guess what? Y'all need to just go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share, do all of that, do all of that. And if there's something that you want to hear that you need to know right now, put that in the comment box and I might just make a video and we could just talk about that. Maybe even tomorrow. But until then, see y'all until next time. And like I said, don't forget, subscribe to this channel, y'all. Come on now. Come on. Like it and hit that notification bell. See you soon. All right. Bye.